Dear Teroxx community, welcome to our trade of the week video. We'll give a short analysis about our positions we had last week and giving some insights how you as well can evaluate long positions. So all in all, in long positions, the sell point should be higher than the buy point to book profits and reasons to buy, huge dips and no rebounders, upcoming news, or when your technical analysis is showing good opportunities. When we think of vola or volume breakout, often the market is as well pushing up or down. So as well here you can as well think about opening a position, or as an early investor if a project is not bottomed out as well, here is a good buy point. Of course there are reasons to sell, for example stop loss or the trailing stop loss. That means once the market is going down, the stop loss saves the funds, or when your indicators or technical analysis is showing a trend change to come as well, here you can evaluate to sell, or when you just feel comfortable with your profits you can sell to you only realize profits are real profits, or when touching resistance levels, sometimes the market seeing a small step back. So as well here you could sell to then may re-enter later. All in all, there's no golden rule for buying or selling. These are just a few options I wanted to show you so that you as well can evaluate positions. And if we take now a look on the trade of the last week, we saw a week that the market lost a little on a weekly basis. Most cryptocurrencies are slightly down this week and therefore there was no bullish market environment. Traditional long positions could not be established and so we needed to buy back the dips. We did this in LINK with around 6.2 and in Ethereum with around 3.8% profit. And if we're taking now a look on Ethereum last week, we can see exactly this. So we saw a downtrend of around 4 days where the price in Ethereum dropped around 12%. So afterwards we found the bottom. We found the local bottom over here at around $217. Due to we broke out of the Bollinger Band, the RSI was super low, it went down to nearly 10, so a really bearish market trend. And after then the market stabilized again. We saw a next support at around $218 and afterward the market just went up with the trend continuation. We just invested in this trend continuation, and as we then saw a local high, a local resistance at around 232, the market had a sell-off and we used this sell-off to close the position due to then afterwards with the weekend to come and stuff like this, the market as well would have been a little low volatile and stepping down a little. So we closed the position here to then booked our profits. In LINK we can see exactly the same. Even if LINK is super bullish about the last days, we can see here that we had a downtrend in LINK as well. From the highest point to the lowest point we as well lost around 11%. We built a support over here and totally the same like in Ethereum. So all in all we had a support build at around $4.35 and afterwards we saw a positive trend continuation. We bought into this market. We then had a next highest support build at around $4.44 and afterwards the market just went up again and had a huge sell-off here in these 3 red candles, how you may see over here. So this was our sell point, so we used this upswing based from the support lines to then hold it until the market is going down a little. All in all, afterwards of course we established new positions, but before LINK went super bullish, how you can see over here, we can see over here that the market just waved in high volatile style, but it went low again. So basically LINK lost some ground over the weekend, about the days to come. So this sell point over here was quite good to book the profits in LINK. Hope you liked this video. This week it was all about buying back the dips. How you may saw as well, the next week seems to be a little more bullish. So here we can work with trend continuation, higher supports, resistance line and stuff like this. But last week we just bought back the dips. So all in all, even with buying back the dip, quite a good week, and I hope you like this video. If you do so, I would love if you could comment, like or share this video, and we will hear us next time when it comes to weekly trade of the week provided by Teroxx.